Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. Let's go over the markets. Hey, Tyler, welcome. Tyler, welcome. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's take a look here. The dollar. All right, the dollar um is trying to make a move higher. Now, um, market's been up and down. All right, so we don't have any real direction. Okay, but the dollar index, right, broke out. Right, we know about that. It broke out last yesterday, and now it's holding. All right, so it's holding. We've sent out a couple of dollar pairs. We'll take a look at how those are doing. All right, so just be kind of nimble, I would say, right now with the markets. All right, um, but we are looking for sellers to come in. All right, market was the Dow finished uh, down to flat. All right, S&P was up, um, Nasdaq was up, and the Russell was up. All right, Bitcoin is holding at 70,000, but it's a tricky market right now. All right, so we just need to be careful trading. All right, I want to get right into it. All right, so let's go right into it. On the 240-minute time frame, and we will leave it on the 240 for the Dow, right? These indexes, on unless we get buy signals. If we get buy signals on the Dow, all right, and on the Russell, and on any of these, all right, then we'll change our mind. So right now, the Dow has a sell short signal. So let's open it up. It's on the 240-minute time frame. So we want to pay really, really close attention to that price action. All right, because we're at an area. Whenever we get, you see where the market is. Big on, it's up big on one day, down big on the, that means it's markets looking for direction. All right, so we have a sell short signal. All right, and remember we're in all-time high territory. All right, so we have a sell short signal on the 240 on the Dow. All right, so that's important. We're going to leave that there. All right, and if sellers continue to move that price down, right, in the markdown phase on the 240, we'll eventually move it to the daily time frame. Okay, on the Russell, we also have a sell short signal here. All right, on the S&P, on the 240, we don't have a sell short signal, but we do have a sell signal. So the long signal closed. All right, just consolidating here. So if the market moves down, there should be no surprise. All right, the momentum is still to the upside, right? The overall trend is up, but this is when the selling starts. All right, kind of starts like this here. The Nasdaq sell signal on the 240. All right, I got some green candles coming in here, but no buy signal. So we don't have any buy signals, guys. All right, no buy signals on any of these indexes on the 240-minute time frame. Okay, VIX came down a bit, so trading at 1491. All right, it was at 15 and change. All right, so keep an eye on that. Now we've got about half of the sectors. Look here. All right, so half of the sectors we track are down, half are up. All right, so this is the first time I would say since November. All right, October, November of last year. That's when this Christmas rally started. Right, we haven't seen this since then. All right, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 sectors that are red. All right, that are down. 2 that are new down. All right, so they're turning down these sectors. Okay, and we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, same amount. All right, that are still holding up. Okay, so that's, keep an eye on this here. All right, so should not be a surprise if sellers come in this market heavy. right? Should not be a surprise. Okay. All right. And we talked about the futures. All right. Futures, the dollar index here in the futures market. All right. So let's take a look at current positions. Current positions. If I can find it, where is it? Hold on. Monster Systems Tracker. Where did it go? Where did it go? Hold on. Sometimes it will just disappear. All right, hold on. Monster Systems Tracker. Hold on. All right, there it is. It just disappeared. All right, here it is here. Okay. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. And I know things have been rocky. Let's see. Let's see how we did today. Okay. NZD JPY. All right. So NZD JPY, we have a new down here. All right. But it's holding buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Holding its trend line. All right. So that looks good. That's holding. Target all the way up here. All right. New Zealand yen. All right. SGD JPY. All right. Buy signal here. That's moving up nicely. Okay. All right. Broke resistance here. Great trade going here. Okay. That's SGD JPY. Euro yen. Euro yen. That one closed. All right. So buy signal was here. Right. We were hoping that it would break resistance. Right. It held support here, if we can call that support, but we were hoping for a test of this resistance. It closed today, right here. All right, right here. Buy signal was here, sell signal right here. So close the trade. All right. If it moves higher and get past resistance here, we could get another buy signal to get in. But buy signal here, sell signal. We never got red candles, but we have our sell signal. We've got to close the trade. So EUR JPY, close that trade, please. Pound yen is holding. We got a buy signal here. No, we got in, I believe, right about in here after that red candles here. So still holding, a bit of a pullback, still holding. Pound yen. HKD JPY, all right, good breakout here. Buy signal was here. This is the one we were anticipating, that breakout. We had nice resistance here, and we broke out. All right, big candles here, breaking out. We have some resistance right here. Right here. So it looks good to continue to move higher, breaking out here. Okay, good trade going here. HKD JPY. New Zealand Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss buy signal here. That's holding. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here. All right, this was that pullback yesterday. All right, this one held. Which one was it that closed? I think New Zealand dollar closed. Okay, we had big red candles came in on that one. That one closed. Buy signal here. That was Linda's first trade. Her first trade was a losing trade. And sometimes I actually prefer traders, when we get new traders in, for their first trade to be a losing trade. All right. Sometimes get the first trade and it's your winning trade. You think it's, as a new trader, that's how it is all the time. All right. But you guys know we're taking losses. Right. Most of the times we're taking losses, but we want to take small losses. All right. So That was her first trade, New Zealand. I'll put it up here. So New Zealand dollar, NZD, USD. All right, so here it was, and I heard from her. All right, called me up. Hey, David, I got a red candle, and she got out perfect. She got out. Her buy signal was here. I think no, her buy signal. We got her in a little late up in here. Sell signal here, red candle. So she got out. So good job, Linda, executing that trade. Really good job. All right. All right. So New Zealand CAD. All right. That's holding. Euro Swiss. All right. Red candle here, sell signal. Okay. So buy signal was here, failed to stay above resistance. All right. Had two great trades. Right. Two great trades here. We were looking for a third one. Right. Sellers came in and had to get out of the trade. So we should be totally out of that trade. Euro Swiss. All right. Dollar Swiss. All right. Dollar Swiss is holding. All right. So here is your resistance here and your, let's bring that in here. Just like this here. All right. Buy signal here. Holding firm, needs to move higher here. All right. USD CHF. All right. USD DKK. That's also a new one we added. All right. So resistance is up there. Markdown phase right about here. And we just need price to. You guys saw what's going on with the dollar index. Okay. So we just need price to hold above that resistance. All right, resistance is here, here, and here we are right here. Buy signal. I know it's a high buy signal there, but we just need that price to hold and continue to move higher. All right. And we do have a buy signal on the dollar index. All right. The dollar index, we do have a buy signal. Okay. All right. We just need that dollar index to move higher. Okay. And that's it for the long positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. No shorts. There are no shorts in Monster Scalper or Forex Dominator. No shorts. So we'll take a look at the longs. In Forex Dominator. Long positions, Forex Dominator. Daily time frame here. All right, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. All right, that's holding its long position here. Buy signal here, broke resistance, holding firm. Buy signal right here, guys. All right, looks good here. Purple support and resistance. So just know where, right? I wouldn't somewhat overbought. All right. CAD yen buy signal here, holding, moving up slowly here. Look here, higher lows right here. I know it's hard to see. Resistance is here. Need that price to move higher there, getting past that resistance here. All right. CAD yen, euro yen. All right, euro yen is just holding right here. Keep an eye on this one. Right, we need to get past this resistance here. We need buyers to continue to push higher. Pound yen. All right, pound yen is moving higher. Let's do this. All right, so we've got a trend going. I know it's really hard to see here. All right, but we've got a trend moving higher here with pound yen. Buy signal is here. All right. All right. A lot of volatility here, but it's moving higher. You guys can see that it's moving higher. Need to break the highs right here. Let's bring this a resistance line right here. Right above, right about here is where we need to break. All right. That's pound yen. HKD JPY. That's breaking out right here. We can remove this now. All right. Buy signal is here. Nice breakout here. Okay. And holding above resistance. HKD. SGD JPY. All right, much like pound yen, right? I tell you, these equity markets, guys, um, just strong. I mean, just and these yen pairs will follow the equity markets. This market is just strong. All right. Every pullback, they're jumping back in and they keep buying the low, buying the dip. All right. SGD JPY, USD JPY. All right. Buy signal here. Nice break of resistance. That buy signal, perfect buy signal here on a break of resistance here. I know it's high in the markup phase. Here's your rectangle right here, blue rectangle right here on this candle right here. Nice break, right, of resistance, moving higher here. That's dollar yen, and dollar yen will get a lift from the dollar index. ZAR yen, look at ZAR yen, guys. Buy signal here. All right, let's move this a bit. Right, don't be afraid to adjust your trend lines. Okay, all right. So here we are right here, following that price action, moving higher here. All right, higher lows, higher highs. All right, lots of consolidation, but it's moving higher. It's finding its trend, getting past resistance here. ZAR yen, Aussie CAD. So we have quite a few here in Forex Dominator. Aussie CAD, a bit of a pullback. All right. Um, just bring this back a bit. You guys can see we do have good structure here. All right. So, all right, here was your pullback. Here's your real markdown phase over here. Buy signal here, a bit of a, yeah, just retraced a bit, but still holding. We need that to get past resistance. And ideally, right above here. So let's move this about right here. All right. It's where we need to get past. That's Aussie CAD in Forex Dominator. Aussie Swiss, good trade going here. Buy signal was here. Moving up nicely, getting past resistance here, right? Past these sellers here. Next target, all right, all the way up here. Aussie Swiss looks good. Hopefully, Aussie CAD and Aussie New Zealand, all right, will follow. Aussie New Zealand right here, right? We've been watching this one here. Buy signal was here, right? Trading right at resistance right here. This is where sellers are sitting. We need to get past resistance here. First level here, and then second level up here. Nothing to do, all green candles, all right? All right, if you scale up in this position, right, on the daily time frame, so you can scale up on the daily much better than on the 240. You could take some profits off the table here. Euro Swiss buy signal here reached its first target here. All right, just holding firm here. Okay, next target all the way up here. So it's just a pullback, but it's holding. All right, yellow support and resistance, no purple. All right, so it's a good chance this can move higher. Euro Swiss. All right. Euro New Zealand, keep an eye on Euro New Zealand, guys. All right, buy signal here. All right, it's pulling back too deeply. All right, so if it breaks that previous resistance, becomes support, we could see sellers get in just like they did here. All right, here and here, even here they pull back. So keep an eye. We need buyers to come back in soon. All right, very, very soon, because support is right here. All right, buy signal here. So anyone is trading this, really, really keep an eye on Euro New Zealand. All right, Euro SEK, that's holding firm. Right, broke out of this triangle right here, broke out nicely. Buy signal here, broke resistance. It's holding. We just need that price action to continue to move higher. This is where up here we might see resistance. All right, all the way up here. All right, and it's getting past this area right here. Okay, right here. It's holding firm. Right, Euro SEK. We have a lot of positions, guys, in Forex, Forex Dominator. Pound Swiss. All right, Pound Swiss buy signal is here. All right, we know about this one. We talk about this one every evening. We talk about these trades. All right, so this is holding. Right, just continuing to move higher here. Resistance is here. We got to get past. I tell you, if we can get past that resistance right here, and not a lot of resistance right here. This is stronger resistance right here, right here. This not a lot of resistance here. We could blow through that top. All right, no support and resistance lines. Look at this. When was the last time we saw price action like this, guys, without any support and resistance? All right, no yellow support and resistance, purple, no support and resistance here. If I move this here, look here. All right, we have no support and resistance within the price action. That almost never happens. All right, so they are not consolidating. It looks like it might be consolidated, but they keep moving it up nicely. All right, so there's a good chance it can move higher. No guarantees of that, but all right, don't bet the farm on it. All right, but good price action, looking to break through resistance here. Pound Swiss, pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand. Keep an eye on pound New Zealand, struggling right here at resistance. Remember, sellers are sitting here. Even here, we can count this here. This is where sellers came in heavy, here, came in here. Here we are. So we need buyers to come back in, some green candles to kind of break through, get out of that area here. Buy signal here. So we're trading right at that buy signal, but we do need buyers to come back in. And you guys know this pound pairs, they've been doing their own thing. All right. Even the euro pairs too. USD TRY still holding. All right, still holding here. All right. A quick look at Monster Futures. We'll take a look at equities. Well, let's do this first. US 30. Hold on. US 30 traders. Let's do it. Hold on. We'll do it here today. All right, our US 30 traders. Just be careful, right? We've been saying that. All right, we're in this on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, be careful taking longs and shorts. I think the bias right now, okay, based on how the market traded today, how they held today, all right. We don't have any news. I don't believe any news coming out tomorrow. The news was yesterday and today. We could see buyers come in today, tomorrow. All right. So it held support. This is on the daily time frame. We've got red candles, right? That long closed, long signal closed. Okay. We do have some red candles, but buyers could come in. All right. So the market is up. If the market and they held, all right, the market was down and then they held it, right? They held it. So we could see they held support here. Look here, they held support here, and it's trading near resistance right here. All right. So we could see buyers come in. So the let me show you guys here. So just for our US 30 traders, all right, our US 30 traders. All right. Now, if you get a sell short signal, I mean, yeah, you might have an opportunity there. But if you guys look here, all right, it's oversold right here on the 60-minute time frame. Here's your markdown phase. All right, here's your markdown phase. It held support. They held support today. All right, and you've got some resistance here. Now, I'm doing a lot of analysis here. You guys don't have to do all of this. Okay, so you have resistance right here. This is where they held resistance going up, but this is where they held support. Boom, boom, right here. And here it is. All right, so there's a really, really good chance, right, tomorrow, if the market is up, that you could break through here. So be careful taking shorts. All right, and it's really low in the markdown phase. Okay, this was perhaps the short right here. Okay, right in here. All right, so buyers, right? Unless the market is, just be careful. But the best trade setup perhaps would be to go long. Okay, to go long. All right, just want to show you guys that. Current positions in futures. Let's see how they're doing. Is that gold? Wow, guys, look at gold. And you guys know gold has been consolidating under 20, right? 20, 19, 20 for years, for at least a couple of years, finally broke out. All right. So gold here in the futures market. All right. So we send out the buy signal right here at 21. I think it was right at 21 and change, trading at 23.93. 23.93. Amazing. Gold is almost at $2,400 and no resistance, guys. Look at that. And gapped up. All right. So almost $2,400. 23.93. Big surprise from gold there. All right. S&P holding. E-mini. Crude oil holding, not much from crude oil. Russell gave a sell signal. All right, so we need to close the Russell there. Buy signal was here, and we've been talking about the Russell. No surprise here, right? No surprise from the Russell here. So let's close that. All right. But boy, gold and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 70,000. Gold is at 20. Gold, if gold continues to move like this, we could see gold get up to 30,000. That would be, 3,000. That would be crazy. Okay. All right. Equities. Let's take a look at equities. Stock Boss. And remember, we gold, basic materials. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, pay attention, right? You might, right, as gold keeps moving higher, those gold stocks, raw material, precious metals, all right, precious metals, materials, even energy, but gold. Gold. ACDC, white candle here. All right. That's energy. We'll hold for now. All right. Let's adjust this. All right. So we just need buyers to come back in like they did here on these white candles before here. Okay. So here, and here. All right. So it's still holding firm. Resistance is right here. Okay. All right. This is holding. That's basic materials. Holding. NG is holding. It did have a bit of a pullback, still holding firm. All right. Healthcare. All right. NKTR. Look at that. All right. Big move here. Buy signal was at 56, 57 cents. All right. Chip stock trading at $1.50, 58. Look at that move right here. It's doing its own thing, guys. All right. ORGN. All right. This is a new one here. All right. Inexpensive stock, good markdown phase, good risk reward. Buy signal was at the high, a little over $7. Buy signal right around 68 cents. That's basic. That is origin basic materials. Okay, basic materials. Pump. Let's see how Pump did today. Pump is holding firm. All right, that's good consolidation, guys. Good markdown phase, but when we see that those buyers gather like that, that's good sign that they're holding the price up. All right, so they're pumping it up. All right, so pump, PUMP, holding firm. That's energy. RIG holding. All right, that's energy also. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here, following that markup phase, that trend line. First target all the way up here. Buy signal was at right around $6. Target $8.79. All right, talk is holding. And TTI is holding, that's energy also. Okay. All right. Now, that stock boss, small caps. Let's take a look at bull master, large caps. Okay. And I'll show you guys what's going on with, we have some time with the Magnificent Seven. We're going to start tracking these Magnificent Seven. All right. Very popular with traders. We'll start watching those. Um, OPRA, buy signal here, breaking out nicely. That's technology here. Okay. So that's breaking out. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. We do have a V. All right. So we have a V here, right here. You guys can see that. Let's bring that in here. All right. End of the week. So we will not look for new opportunities. We'll start back on Sunday and Monday. Okay. So here's your markdown phase. All right. Buy signal, broke resistance, moving up nicely there. All right. Coin is holding. All right. Buy signal here. There's your pullback. Holding firm. All right. MU. All right. Buy signal here. Holding very strong there. Hood. Holding. Look at a nice bounce with hood. All right. Buy signal was right on a break of resistance right here. Got past these sellers right here. Holding firm. All right. XPRO. Buy signal here was right at $16, $17, trading at 20. Good trade going here. All right. WDC, buy signal here. Right. Reaccumulation, that's holding. All right. Basic materials here. This one here, MATV, right? Buy signal here. Target is here, but it's got to get past resistance. So let's put this resistance line. This is a decent resistance right within that markup phase. Okay, so right here we got to get past. You see it's struggling right here. Here is where it struggled before. All right, so we got to get past. I would say if you get a white candle here, if anyone is trading this, close the trade. If you can get past resistance here, then boy, it could make it all the way up here. So just remember, see right here, this area here, all this area in here, over here, that's what's blocking it right now. Traders are watching these areas. Okay. Same thing for here. NEM, resistance is here. Buy signal here. We're moving up nicely to resistance. That's basic material. All right. All right. And MATV is also basic materials right here. Okay. So should get past it. Should get past it. Okay. That's part of gold. Okay. Gold, precious metals there. All right. All right. ARHS moving up nicely. Buy signal all the way down here, 935, trading at 1584. Look at that. Got past this resistance here, right in here. Let's bring that down. All right. So this is where, look here. This is where sellers came in before, right here. Boom. All right. Brought that price down. It's pretty funny how they do this sometimes. Right here, right? Brought that price down. This time, made it through. All right, made it through, gapped up. That's very strong here. So it was settling here, gapped up, now moving higher. So this one here can continue to move higher. Just let it run. CLS, let's see how it's doing here. All right, so it's retracing a bit, pulling back from resistance line right here. Buy signal all the way down here. $30 was the buy signal, holding at 46. All right, just nothing to do there. All right, that's holding. Kavana. All right, holding. All right, holding and holding here. All right, so good job in Bull Master. All we want Bull Master to do is hold and these keep adding basic materials, gold, silver stocks, precious metals, and energy. That's the goal. Okay. All right. Let's run Heat Seeker for Stock Boss and Bull Master just to get an idea of what the institutions are doing. Okay. Let's see what they're if they're buying. Just because these indexes are moving higher doesn't mean that they're always buying. Okay. So Stock Boss, let's run it. All right, 41, that's low. All right, that's low. So we've got some basic materials here. We'll go through these quickly here. So you see basic materials here. So iron and steel, gold and silver, right? Metals mining. Um, our stock boss traders, keep an eye on SSRM for a buy signal. All right, this is setting up. All right, that is gold and silver. All right, fell down from about 15, trading at 5. All we need is a buy signal. So keep an eye on that one there. All right, that's gone there. That's gone. So they're buying gold and silver there. All right. So we should never be surprised by these rotations. Okay. All right. Energy here, energy here. All right. So KOS, let's see here. What's going on? Oh, too much consolidation, guys. All right. Good buy signal here. Even a decent markdown phase, but look at this. That trade will get caught up in all of that consolidation there. Okay. All right. And I think that's the last one. All right. If the market continues to do this, we'll continue to see more and more basic material and energy. Okay. All right. Let's run Bull Master. All right. All right. We have only 3 energy. Let's take a look here. So basic materials, just quickly. And then we'll take a look at the Magnificent 7, and then we'll be done. Done for the week. And it's been a crazy week in these markets. Yeah, we'll wait on that one there. All right, so nothing there. Energy here, oil and gas, that's gone. All right, that's gone. See what they're doing? Energy here. HCC has a buy signal. Let's take a look here. And HCC, that's energy, that's coal. All right, we're going to add this one here. Okay, this is reaccumulation. All right, now it consolidated in here, but it broke out right here. So it broke out from here, from this long consolidation in here, which took almost a year. Finally broke out. First trade was right here at $39. Sell signal came in. All right, well, it probably would have gotten out here on these red candles, but the system gave a sell signal at 48. Then the buy signal at 52. Sell signal, break of support here at 59. And here it is right here. All right, we have a buy signal that came in today. Now that's reaccumulation, and that is part of energy. Now, the only concern with energy is that we need crude oil to move higher. It's got a buy signal, it's holding, but we need it to break higher. All right, so we have a nice upward trend line. So we know the trend is long up. All right, see here, nice upward trend line. Every time it gets to that trend line right here, it bounces up. Right here, bounce up. Right here, bounce up. Right here, we hope that now bounce up, moves higher. We got a nice break of resistance right here. So we'll add this one here. So HCC, and that's energy, coal. in Bullmaster. Okay. All right. So we have one. We found one today. Okay. This evening here. All right. Okay. Last thing, and we'll start paying attention to these magnificent 7 stocks. Okay. Now, these stocks will give us clues, okay, as to these. And the reason we want to follow these stocks, because that's what they're trading right now. The whole market is supported by the Magnificent Seven, all right, which is NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all right, Google, Tesla, and Meta, Facebook. And the whole market, really, guys, is supported by these 7 stocks. So we need to pay attention to what these stocks are doing. If these stocks fail, all right, if they fail, that's the market. All right. The market right now is being supported. Right. If you guys look at what we went through, Stock Boss, there isn't a ton of stocks in Hit Seeker for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Right. So they're not buying everything. Right. So this whole market really is being supported by these 7 stocks. Okay. So we'll start paying attention to what they're doing. Okay. How they're trading. So NVIDIA gave a sell signal here. All right. Yesterday gave a sell signal. Buy signal was here at 474. All right. Sell signal came in at 843. All right. Price is moving up higher here, but we have a sell signal. Okay. So we pay attention to those sell signals. Okay. All right. Apple. All right. Apple is holding support right here at 175 right here. It doesn't have a buy signal. Okay. Doesn't have a buy signal. Microsoft still holding its buy signal here. All right. Google got a new buy signal here and is moving higher. Google looks strong. All right. Amazon continuing to hold its buy signal from all the way down here. All right. So at 144, trading at 187, still holding strong. All right. Facebook, Meta. All right. Buy signal all the way down here, 328, trading at 523, holding strong. Tesla is weak though. Tesla is holding support, all right, at 170, 174. Okay. All right. If Tesla gets a bid, it could break out. All right. Now it could certainly go lower, but if it gets a bid, buyers come in. All right. Hold on. And I'm done, guys. I am done. All right. So if it gets buyers come in, gets a bid. All right. We could see buyers come in, break resist, break that trend line here, and keep going. Okay, so we'll continue, guys. All right, every week we'll look at, because this is critical. All right, these stocks here will let us know if they're done for real. All right, if they're done buying for real. All right, guys, take care. Difficult week, but we'll get back to it next week. See you guys on Sunday. Okay, have a great weekend. Take care. Bye bye.